Hello everyone. So today I'll tell you how to take an online examination. So you all must have received the URL, login ID and password. So you have to type your URL over here. Then you'll land into this page where you have to enter your login ID and password. So make sure you type your login ID and password, don't copy paste. So once you enter your login ID and password, click on login to move further. Then you will move to the test selection page where the test assigned to you will be visible. So click on continue to move further. So once I click on continue, I'll move to the test environment page where the access to a camera, microphone, internet speed and browser will be checked. So you have to click on proceed now. And in case your camera or microphone is not working, you can click on the small lock icon to enable the camera and microphone, and then you have to reload the page. So I'll click on continue to move further. Then you have to click your image and your ID card image for the approval process. In case you are not satisfied with your ID card or your image, you can retake the image and then proceed further. So make sure your ID card image and your image is clear. So now you have to wait till the time your image and ID card image gets approved. So now since your ID card and image is approved, you can either wait for a minute or you can click on start test to start the test. Now you will move to the test instruction page or a waiting launch where on the right hand side you can see the test instructions and you can go through it before starting the test. On the top you can see how much time is allocated to this test, how many questions are there. On the left hand side you can just see some security instructions and navigation tools instructions. So you have to wait till the time this proceed now turns into green in color, and then you can proceed further. So now it's turned into green in color. I can click on proceed now and move to the test page where the questions displayed to me will be visible. Make sure you have a good internet speed so that you can just take the test in a good flow. Now on the left hand side, if you see, it's a question panel where the number of questions given to you will be visible. You can click on any of the question and can directly move to that particular question. On the top you can just see the section name, and on the right hand side you can just see there is an option of auto next. If I enable the auto next, there is no need to click on next button again and again. As soon as I answer the question, I'll move to the next question immediately. Then you have an option to change section. In case your paper contains multiple sections, you can select the particular section and move to that section immediately. You can also view the instructions again in case required. Then over here you can just see the maximum marks allocated to that particular question. So this is the question text and options. You have to select your answer and then click. You can also click on next button to move further. And also you can click on the previous button to move to the previous question anytime during the test. You also have an option to flag the question, so only the answered question will be flagged. In case you have a doubt on a question and you want to reattempt, you can flag the question. Immediately that question will turn into red in color and you can just attempt the further questions. Now on the top middle you can just see a backward timer running. Once the timer is over, your test will be automatically submitted. Also you have an option to chat with the proctor. So if in case you have any doubt, you can just put a message to a proctor, and proctor can also put a message to you using the chat option. You are not allowed to move anywhere out of a test window. If in case you click anywhere out of a test window, you will get a navigation warning, or make sure your notifications or any updates are disabled. Any notification or updates pop-ups on the screen will lead to a navigation. After a set number of navigation, your test will be automatically submitted. Once you're completed with your test, you can click on the End Test button to submit your test. And also you can just attempt your flag question also. So once I click on End Test button, it will ask me, are you sure you want to submit the test? Since one of my question was flag, so it asked me, are you sure, there are some flag question, do you want to attempt it? If I click on yes, attempt it, I'll get an option to attempt that particular question, otherwise the marked answer will be submitted. I can also unflag the questions once I have attempted or finalized the answer. So now again I click on End Test, it will say yes, submitted. You have to wait till the time you get the test submitted successfully. Once you get this message, means your test is submitted successfully, then you can close the browser. Thank you.